Hello, in this video, I want to share my personal experience with the platform called Testable Minds. So basically, this platform is for researchers from world's most prestigious university. So they are looking for participants for their psychological and behavioral experiments. And for that participations of about 10 to 20 minutes, you get around $2 to $8 per study per participation, and sometimes even you get $10 per participant. So you just conduct like 20 minutes of study and you get $10 per study. So it's a really good platform to earn extra apart from your job. And um, at the end of this video, I want to share one trick that how you can get more studies and earn more with this platform. So this basically you just come to this platform, create your account. I have already logged in over here, you can see here. So once you logged in, you need to verify your account through your phone identity and your Revolut account. In that case, I would prefer, means here, if you want to withdraw money, Revolut is the best way, because if you go through any other medium like PayPal, so they will deduct some transaction charges in that case. So Revolut is the best platform to deduct here money from this platform. And so in my activity platform here, you can say that lastly I withdrawn $12.50. Even you can see the date that lastly I withdrew on 17th February. So it's a good platform to earn something extra. And you just come towards the study like here, and you get some current studies and you just enroll and finish in 10 to 20 minutes, and you earn around $2 or $5 or sometimes $10. It depends on study. And just one last thing I want to share with you, that if you want to participate in more studies and earn more with this platform, you can use one trick that I want to share with you here, that you can install Auto Refresher Plus Google Chrome extension. So this extension will refresh the page automatically, and it will monitor specific word and specific phrase, and it will give you a notification. So on the basis of that, you will get to know that, oh, I have studied, let me participate and let me finish that. So that's the best way to participate in more studies and earn more. So here you can see that I have kept an interval for 15 seconds, and the monitor means the word I'm going to monitor is current studies. So this is the best way to participate in more studies and earn more with this platform. And the best thing is about this platform is that you learn a lot. Even when you participate in the studies, you get to know that how they conduct this psychological and behavioral studies. So even it's a good platform to learn when you participate in studies. So that's all I wanted to share with you. And just you just keep this tab on, start this Auto Refresher Plus, leave this tab and work in some another tab. You don't need to worry about that. And once you get the pop-up or once you get the notification sound, just enter the study, finish in 10 to 20 minutes and earn your extra money and get back to your work. So that's a good way to earn extra, um, to earn something apart from your day job. And in the description below, I'll share a sign up link of Testable Minds, so just check this out and sign up for the studies. So hope you found this useful, and please share, like, subscribe and share with the people who are in need. Thank you so much. Bye.